Hey guys, welcome to Proto Point. Okay, so in this Android tutorial, we're gonna create a custom toast message. As you can see, I have created an app that has two buttons that shows toast messages. There are two types of toast message I have created, which is success toast message and error toast message. As you can see, this is the success toast message, and this is an error toast message. Okay, so let's go into Android Studio to build the app. Okay, so now we are in Android Studio. I have already created a project by name Custom Toast. Okay, so this is my main activity, design UI design. So this has only two buttons that is button for success and button for error toast message. Okay, okay, so first of all, we will create a vector image. We need two vector image, that is to show success icon and error icon. For that, in drawable folder, create a new vector image. Okay, this is the image will take to show success message. This is the, so I will keep it as white. Okay, okay, and we need one more, that is to show error message. New vector image. You just type error, you can get the icon. Toast error, name it as toast error, and we will make it as red. Okay, done. Okay, now we will design a custom toast message over here. Here create a new layout resource file and name it as custom toast design, and root element will be linear layout. Okay, make it as horizontal, and height we will make it as wrap context. Here create a linear layout, width will be of type 70 dp and height will be match parent. Okay, and we need id for it, id, so that we can change the color of the linear layout. Okay, layout margin will make it as 15 dp, and orientation we will keep vertical. Anything we can keep, it's okay as is. Okay, then here we need a image view. Image view will be of size 50 dp, 50 by 50, 50 by 50, and this margin will not come over here, it will be over here, sorry. Okay, then we will set a background. Background will come from the image we have, vector image that we have just now created, this one. Okay, and give a id for this. Okay, and for this linear layout we will give a background. Background will be of color green. Okay, green background. Okay, then create a new linear layout, and this will be of type match parent by match parent, match parent by match parent. Orientation will be vertical. will be vertical and background will be white. Background will be white. In this we have one text toast text view where we can display to messages, toast messages. Okay, wrap context, match parent, text style will be of type bold, text size 15 sp, and text color will be Android color black. Okay, and then we will take the gravity center in the text over here, toast message here. Okay, and we also need a id for this. Id will be toast text. Okay, so we are done with the custom designing the custom toast message. Okay, then we'll go to main activity. Here I have two buttons, that is to show a toast message success and the error message. Here first of all create a function that will show toast message. Here private void show toast message. Okay, this toast message, in this toast message we will first of all we will create a infilter, a layout infilter from this to what we need to show, that is custom toast design. Okay, then toast custom toast is equal to new toast, this. Then we need to find this views by IDs. This one thing is this one and this one. This three views we need to find view. For that, okay, in here, okay, out, is equal to toast dot find view by id r dot id dot linear layout. Second thing is image view toast dot find view by id r dot id dot what was the name of the image view? Okay, image view. Okay, and third thing is text. Toast text is equal to toast dot find view by id r dot id dot toast text. Okay, so now we have finded all the views that we will manually change it from coding. Okay, first of all toast text dot set text is equal to toast message. toast message, and toast custom toast duration we need to send test set, that is toast dot sort. Okay, wrong. Okay, fine. Okay, and custom toast dot show. Okay, and you can just call this function from when the button is being pressed. Okay, so now we will run the app in my physical device. The app is running. Okay, it is been installing now. Okay, on press, something went wrong. Let me check. Set view must be called. Okay, fine. Okay, set view must be called. Okay, I forgot this thing. Custom toast dot set view toast. Okay, now we will run. As you can see, a toast message has been showing now, but both the thing is been same. Okay, so we need to make some changes here. We need to pass variables. Variables means what text we need to show and which icon we need to display. Okay. Okay, so we will first code for success message. Here we will pass some parameters. SEO successful, success, TOST, toast, message sold. Okay, this is the first parameter. Second parameter will be of type color. Here it is green. I am passing green. And third we will pass icon. Icon from drawable folder. Okay, we will pass success folder. Okay, in function, here as you can see, first is string, second is also string, and third is of type integer. Drawable, any images will be of type integers. Okay, your first thing is string, text, string, color, and third will be of type integer, icon. Okay, now first thing what we need to do is we need to set toast message. Your toast message will come from text. Okay, and we need, after that we need to set color to the background. Linear layout dot set background color, color dot parse, color dot parse color, and third thing is we need to change the image view dot set background, this dot get resource dot get drawable from, that is icon that is been passed. Okay, likewise we will do same for error message. error, here message will be of something we can type is something went wrong. Okay, come here, and the icon will be error icon, toast error here, this thing. Okay, now we will run the app. Okay, this is success message and this is error message. Okay, so we need some gap between the text over here. We can give it easily. We can just give margin of 10 dp, 10 dp. Okay, fine. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.